Welcome to T Files TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutendera pasocial media. Prophet Talent Chiwenga achinyomba Diss Ed Zanu Pf timu yevarakasha kudedzera kuti oda kuti ticelebrate newe sezvinonzi ndiwe wakavaka nemari yako imari yedu muri mbavha dzevanhu. Teerera munzwe zvitaurwa naTalent Chiwenga ari kudedzera handisi kudzora tsvimbo nekuti gudo rabata kumeso muri mbavha dzevanhu makatibira munotibira.
Look at them, they are watering the grass with water cannons. Why couldn't they implement and install a sprinkler valves, sprinkler water systems? Look at it. It already has depressions because of heavy trucks. So don't tell us to be grateful because we are not Mnangagwa's children. And he didn't build this interchange with his pocket money. Mnangagwa is not a sponsor to the Zimbabwean government. He is a civil servant. This interchange was built by our money. We don't owe Mnangagwa any thank you. Instead, he should apologize.
I'm sure mazvinzwira mega zvataurwa naApostle Talent Chiwenga vari kudedzera kuti isusu hatimbobvi takabvuma kupusiswa. Dai ndandiri nini ndodogona kuteta zviri nani kudarika zvakaitwa naEd Zanu Pf nevarakasha. Aenderera mberi, tirai munzwe Talent Chiwenga.
Yeah. Don't give us a dunder head and expect us to clap hands for him. We told you there's nothing good that will come out from Mr. Mnangagwa's administration. He is a cursed man. Whatever he touches, it dies. He has killed too many people. We said it. We stick to that narrative to this day. All right. And we have the capacity to lead, by the way. We have the capacity to do the right things. We can lead a nation. It's possible. There is nothing that Mr. Mnangagwa has that makes him more capable of being a president that I don't have. I'm actually 4 or 7 times better than him. Number one, the Harare-Beit Bridge Road, it needs at least 3 lanes on this direction and 3 lanes on that direction. It is Zimbabwe's busiest road, not only in terms of volumes of traffic, but in terms of business earnings. That's where we import most products from South Africa through. It makes sense to invest more money because it brings more money to Zimbabwe, that road. The road from Chitungwiza to that interchange is full of potholes. How do you create an interchange for a road mad with potholes? Inoshika remote roundabout kana yabva kwakazara mapotholes. It doesn't. The third thing is, if you look at that interchange, the off-ramping roads are one vehicle lanes. Yes, they have 1 vehicle lanes. Look at that one. Look at the other one. It shouldn't be a 1 vehicle lane road. There has to be more than 1 lane because this is a major highway. The cars that are off-ramping from Harare to Glenora, they need more than 1 lane. The cars that are going from Chitungwiza to the highway, they need more than 1 lane. Most of those off-ramping lanes, they are 1-lane roads, except maybe for that one. This is a junk road. They should have put 4 lanes on this direction, 4 lanes on that direction. And then they stay like that maybe for 60 km. Then they shrink it to 3 lanes as the road goes forward to Beit Bridge. And we are not just talking about the number of lanes. We are talking about the quality of the construction. It is not good enough. Look at them, they are watering the grass with water cannons. Why couldn't they implement and install a sprinkler valves, sprinkler water systems? Look at it. It already has depressions because of heavy trucks. So don't tell us to be grateful, because we are not Mnangagwa's children. And he didn't build this interchange with his pocket money. Mnangagwa is not a sponsor to the Zimbabwean government. He's a civil servant. This interchange was built by our money. We don't owe Mnangagwa any thank you. Instead, he should apologize for being in a party that was governing for the past 45 years. And yet we are made to celebrate an interchange which was introduced more than 200 years ago. Interchanges are more than 200 years old. Zimbabwe is the first interchange in 2025. You say, we must be grateful. Grateful to whom? Kana wakatarisa Mnangagwa munhu angape munhu kana sendi uya. The government's job is to utilize public funds responsibly, and they are getting paid for that job. They don't deserve any thank you from us. But when we are not happy, we are required and we are allowed to complain. Waste of money and deception masked as investment and infrastructure development. Very sad. If this road give us back the road, if Mr. Mnangagwa wanted to build a good road, what you should have seen there are traffic lights. Not traffic lights, flood lights. People are going to go into an accident because there are sharp curves at the interchange. There must be lights all over. And those lights must be up from dusk to dawn. There's not even one light that we can see there. Where are the lights? There are no lights. How do you expect motorists to navigate these caves, these winding caves, in the absence of street lights? There's no wisdom in these people. Look at it. The people the pedestrians who want to walk from this side to that side, what do they use? Kungo jamba road, chitarisa motikari jamba, kokarohwa nemoto. There are too many roads. It's difficult for a pedestrian to check all the angles from where traffic could come. This is a death trap for pedestrians. A decent project management company should have considered what I'm talking about. The people who supervised this project must be in jail. They are criminals. So we will not celebrate mediocrity. We can't say he has done something, he is improving, he is getting better, he is doing this, he is doing that. No. We know proper interchanges. We are not people who are not exposed. Mr. Mnangagwa did not consider development. He did not consider expansion. Harare has more volumes of cars because of importation of used cars. This interchange has no capacity to allow the passage, the free flowing and the free passage of cars to mitigate traffic jam. This interchange must be in a small road, not on the busiest road in Zimbabwe. It's too small for the volumes of traffic in our country. This, what I'm discussing, is what proper project managers consider before they tender for such a big project. They draw the plan, actually they draft what they want, and then they invite competitive project managers, and they say, give us a road like this, and the project managers are the ones who find engineers. Right now we could be suing the project managers for letting us down. This interchange must be somewhere probably along Enterprise Road or along
I'm sure mazvinzwira mega. Please comment down below mutiudze kuti which one is which. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Maita basi.